So we got another portable power station right here, and this is the GOOLOO GTX 280. Now this one is like a cross between a jump pack and a power station. I'll show you what I mean. This particular unit will put out AC 120 watts peak, 150 watt. If you guys don't know, GOOLOO makes jump packs, portable power stations, all sorts of stuff. You get the carrying bag, the instructions. The packaging is always on point like usual. Now this thing is an absolute monster. You get the battery pack with all your ports. You get the 120 watt AC adapter. Right now this is half off if you go to my link and use the code, but it essentially hooks up just like that. You could even plug this into the outlet in your vehicle. What I like about it, you can also jump start your vehicle. Get some cords and one of these hooks to go right here. We go ahead and just hit the power button on. You can plug your laptop in there or whatever you need to do, charge your phone. Power camera.